Good day, traders. I'd like to share another index futures trade posted in the tradesight lab this morning. Using eSignal version 11 and tradesight tools, we noted a high probability continuation setup shortly after the open in the broad market futures. The ES opened flat today at the 1619.50, dead in the middle of the value area just above the pivot. One of the first things I do in conducting my opening futures reconnaissance is to note where we're going to open in relation to the nearest TriStar level. TriStar levels have a tendency to draw the market to them when they're inside the intraday range of play. Today's average true range in the ES was 12.9 points. Noting that the next overhead TriStar level was at 1625, only 5.5 points away from that open at the 1619.50 level. The only notable resistance between the open and the TriStar level was the Globex high at 1622. That's where our trade call was placed soon after the market ran to new highs with market support. We didn't have to wait long for a partial profit, where we started trailing a stop loss until we stopped out with a multi-point winner. Again, we opened flat, pulled back somewhat to near-term support, and we started to climb higher. Market internals were giving us all go for upside interest, and when we hit new highs on the intraday chart, that's where I placed the trigger for the long play in the ES above that Globex high. As soon as we cracked that, we chopped around a few, rolled up, hit a nice partial, and continued to run for a multi-point gain. If you're trading index futures, I suggest you always note where the open will be in regards to the nearest term TriStar level. If the distance is within the average daily range, you may have a solid setup if the market internals cooperate as they did for us this morning. It's a frequent play for our subscribers in the tradesight lab. Come visit us in the live tradesight lab anytime for trade calls in equities, index futures, ETFs, and Forex. Until next time, this is Mark Lykos. Have a great day and trade well.